your OPPO A12 storage. Go to settings and scroll down. Go find additional settings. Press on that. We'll say storage and then exit. And then go back to settings, scroll down and go find additional settings again. Once you press on it, go to storage and you can actually clean up everything here. Actually, I cleaned up one. It's KineMaster, and I already got 2.5 GB cleared up, and I have so many phone storage now. So yeah, don't mind my other apps, my videos here. And if your phone is OPPO A12 or something like that, this will help you. Okay, follow for more tips. By the way, like and subscribe. Thanks.